Good morning, Doug here, Portland Stump Grinding. You might remember the last video here was a overview of the new stump grinder we have over here, our Vermeer 70TX. This is a maiden voyage of it, mid-January, a little bit of ice on the road, so it look cool. We are at the west end of Forest Park, arm of it called McClay Park at the Oregon Bird Alliance. And over here we have a stump, about a 3-foot stump, 3.5-foot stump. And Jake's going to be grinding that stump. Hey, Jake, come over here and pop in this thing. Hey, you get on the downhill side. Yeah, see, now we look like we're the same size now. You can put that in the video. I don't care. It's good looking, huh? Like a chip off the old block. Anyways, this is Jake. And he's the one that's going to be grinding. Pretty much there won't be any talking through the grinding process of the stump grinder here. Hopefully everything goes smooth and we don't have any breakdowns. It's a brand new machine. Getting the machine running, going to get it unloaded. I'm going to get some chip control so we're not blowing chips on the traffic coming by. Well, looks like that machine's pretty nice. First sampling of it, really good. A couple features we're not used to. We're really pleased with the machine. It's pretty typical. That's why we run Vermeer. If we thought something else was better, we'd be using something else. So I'm really happy. Look forward to seeing how well it does for the next few years. Thank you.